Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I have quite the mess here. You know how it is when you start to organize, you actually have to make a mess in order to, get things organized. So that's kind of what's happening right now in the Dolly Studio. I am redressing and reorganizing my toner collection for the most part. I do have a video that will be coming up with this nice little dolly. This is my most recent Blythe doll, Dolly Days, and I'm going to be restyling her soon. But right now, these gals are getting new outfits on. These four I have finished. This is Warm Days, and she's got this beautiful dress on that I got. I would say almost all of this, 99% of this that I'm showing you comes from the Virtual Doll Convention website. So yeah, she is wearing this beautiful dress with a little crinoline here. This was actually from the, I got this as part of the ballerina outfit, but everybody's getting new clothes. So she's got new clothes, she's got a new wig. She's always going to be my sort of retro chick, I feel like. And then we have Garden Variety here. She's actually wearing the stock that I've had put away for quite a while, but she looks amazing in it. This stock outfit, it actually belongs to this doll, who is Romantic Possibilities. She is gorgeous. So they're switching here. They're wearing each other's stock outfit, the outfit they originally came in. And I think they both look really good. So I'll show you everybody at the end. I'll put together the shelf and show you all of them together on the shelf once I get them all done. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you how fun it can be just to, sometimes I'll just take each other's clothes and switch them out. Okay. Also, I've got here, this is Nima, and you are soft stuff Nima. And she has a different wig on. I put some glasses on her. I'm not sure about the glasses with this outfit. I don't know. She looks very studious. Gave her a little pop of color with this little bag here. But otherwise, she's wearing some clothes from two different Elowen boxes. This was the chocolate one. What was that from? Can't remember now. And these pants were from the Copenhagen box. What is it? Name? Starts with a B. But anyway, I thought they looked good together. I got a little bit of inspiration because recently Virtual Doll Convention did a video where Christopher showed taking pieces from their collection and mixing and matching them. And so it occurred to me that this top, even though it normally goes with a like a little jumper dress over the top of it, it looks really good with these pants. And then I have Straight and Narrow here. She's been wearing this outfit for a while. This is the one that came, the Japanese outfit, because Elowen's been going around the world. And then this is the most recent one, and this chick is, your name is what? Your name is Shining Example. Yes, so Shining Example. And she's still wearing this. I think I'm going to keep her in this. I don't know. Maybe I'll just switch these two out. That might be fun. And of course, you know who's here. Malibu has to get in on everything. Oh, this little hat actually goes with this outfit. So I'll probably get it on her once I get her on the shelf. But yeah, I'm just putting some stuff away, rearranging the dollies. And I started on the shelf. I don't have a lot of Halloween outfits and stuff for these gals. I am thinking of putting together some sewing projects for them. I pulled out some fabric and washed it recently. Something maybe sort of fall. But I do have this cute little dress I got a while back, and she's wearing that and holding onto her little black kitty. And this doll, by the way, this was I believe she was my first Elowen. And this is White on Right, I think. And of course we have Wednesday here. So I think this is going to be kind of like the Halloween corner of the shelf. And then I have Lacey Churchill still here holding her gloves. She looks so regal, right? And I showed this recently, as well as this outfit. And this gal is also Elowen. She is one of the, what were you called? The basic dolls. I got her quite a while ago, and she's wearing this beautiful white outfit. So now I got to figure out how to squeeze all those other dolls onto this shelf. Oh, let's see how that goes. All right, everybody's on the shelf, believe it or not. Kind of crammed in there a little bit, but they're all fitting. And I put these two gals up front because to me, they turned out the best. But I'm curious, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Who in the little group here is kind of floating your boat the most today? Let me know down below. As usual, please give this a thumbs up as well. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you take the time to hit that subscription button, hit the notification button too, so you get notifications whenever I publish, which right now is a couple times a week. And thanks so much for spending some dolly time with me. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.